Hi guys, today I'm making egg sauce. Egg sauce is a popular breakfast staple that consists of eggs, peppers and some spices. It can be paired with some fried plantains, bread, yam, etc. But today I'll be pairing mine with some boiled yam. So guys, let's make some egg sauce and yam. Right here I've got yam, some eggs, my spices. This is curry, thyme, salt and some seasoning cubes. Here I've got my Scotch bonnet pepper, some vegetable oil, chopped onions, tomatoes, spring onions and some habanero pepper. What I'm going to be doing first is to slice my yam and start boiling. So I'll get a bowl of water and start slicing up my yam. First I'll slice the yam about an inch each. Slice it into 2 halves. Then I'm going to peel and drop it into the bowl of water. So guys, while my water is boiling, I'm going to start by breaking the eggs. Into that, I'm going to be adding some salt, just a little bit, not too much, and then I'll whisk. Perfect. Now I'm going to check on my boiling water. So now I'm going to transfer the yam slices into the hot water. Now I'll add just a little bit of salt and cover. I'll leave my yam to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes while I make the egg sauce. Okay. So I've placed my pan on a medium heat. Now I'm going to add some oil. I'll let that heat up for about 1 minute. Now I'm going to add some chopped onions right into the pan. I'll let that simmer for 2 minutes. Next, I'll be adding my chopped tomatoes and pepper. I'll give it a nice stir. Next, I'll add my salt, thyme, seasoning cubes, and my curry powder. I'm going to mix that up. Let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, Now I'm going to add my eggs. So I'm just going to start stirring gently. So I'll let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes and our egg sauce will be ready. So our egg sauce is ready. It smells amazing in here. The last thing I'm going to do is to sprinkle just a little bit of spring onion into my egg sauce. Then I would mix that up. Perfect. The egg sauce is ready and the yam is almost done. So guys, I'll be right back. There you have it guys, our egg sauce that went to Harvard and some boiled yam. So guys, I paired the egg sauce with the boiled yam and they look amazing, isn't it? So you can also pair your egg sauce with so many things, like I said earlier, sliced bread, fried plantains. Sometimes I pair mine with noodles. So guys, be creative and let me know what you come up with. Tag us at DISHSOSWEET on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.